दोस्तों, welcome to all on my YouTube channels. Today I am going to share the one of the testimonial video regarding the acupuncture piece that I have got from my one of the purchasers who have purchased this one. This is the Dr. Sameem Ahmed who has using my acupuncture piece, and they have gotten a very satisfactory confidence, and they have grown his own confidence regarding the acupuncture quiz. He said to me that after the taking the quiz, I got a very satisfactory confidence level, and after this, I think that I can obtain the very good mark in the acupuncture exam. So today topic is only for that. I would like to share his testimonial video so that you can see what they said about my acupuncture quiz.
I am Dr. Shamsuddin. Dr. Muhammad Ahmed has prepared an app for eligibility test for MCA registration. App has two parts, quiz and exam. App covers topics related to fundamental and anatomy of acupuncture with acupuncture therapeutics. Quiz has psychohypnotic effect to remember and memorize answers to objective questions. Exam build confidence for passing the eligibility test. We went through both quiz and exam part of the app and build within us fearless confidence to face eligibility test. I am very much thankful to Dr. Muhammad Ahmed for providing such an excellent platform to such an excellent platform in the form of app for examinees.
So this was the testimonial video. I think Dr. Sameem have got this quiz more than his expectations. What they have expected before purchase this quiz, I think they have gotten more than his expectation. That's why he is given to me very fantastic, very good review, and it really encouraged me to make more quiz like this. Maybe I upload more sample papers regarding this acupuncture exam in future. If I will do, I will definitely share with my members who have already purchased this quiz. Now my next topic is compare between book and the quiz. So I will just summarize some little points so you can know that what is the different and what is the plus point of taking this quiz, and how can this quiz will be beneficial for you and give the more advantage with the limited time to get and obtain very good marks in the exam. Suppose that if you have book and think about it, where you can carry this one. I think you can't carry everywhere your book in your pocket or in your hand or in your bag. But if you think about your mobile, you can carry easily in your pocket, in your bag, or anywhere. And we know that more than 60 to 70% people are using the mobile devices, and in the mobile devices most of people using the Android apps and Android devices. My quiz is also based on the Android devices, and it support only Android devices. So this quiz is not made for the desktop, laptop, or any other PC kind devices. It only run on Android app. So I think it's also good and plus point because the most of people using the Android app. Also the one of the most beneficial and the plus point of this quiz is that you have only one time internet, while I will connect or my team will connect it to you to install this quiz in your mobile. At that same time only you need the internet connection. Later on you don't need any kind of the data or Wi-Fi or any kind of the internet connectivity with your mobile to run this quiz. Once you install, that's it. After that you don't need any data. This will run totally offline, completely offline. You can run this quiz in your mobile because it's installed in your device, in your system. So this is also have plus point, I think, who don't have more data or where they have the network issue or network connectivity issue. So this is a very good thing, I think, for the peoples who can save also the internet data and other kind of data. So also, if you see that the most of app who's running on the internet, there is more advertisement also coming on the app. So it will also plus point if you will disable or make off your data and you run your this quiz, you will also not get the any kind of the ad on this app also. So it will not disturb in your mobile to come always the pop-up for the advertisement and distracting your concentrations while you are preparing yourself and focusing your mind on the quiz and their answers. So I think I have covered a lot of the things. If anybody have the any other queries, he can send to me my personal WhatsApp number, or he can send by email also. No issue for me. I will try to the give the response as soon as possible. If I am busy, definitely it will take the time. So I will request to just wait and keep patience. Inshallah, I am surely replied their answer. I am not neglecting any people's any message or any kind of. I am definitely giving the response of the every peoples. The last thing is that if anybody have any doubt and he want or she want to check this quiz before purchasing this quiz, I will definitely give a one code of in his mobile to let check about this quiz, to see how this quiz is effective and how this quiz is very good and how this quiz will increase your faith to gain a good mark, how this quiz will grow your knowledge, and how easily and with simple step following how it will be helpful to remember the quiz option and their answers, how you can take the review and other things. So there is a many options. I already explained in my first off video. You can go on my this channel's first video. I have uploaded all that about the quiz. How can you set the time, quiz time, question time, limit, no limit. There is also have lives, without lives, and the multiple topic selections, single topic selections, and many more. So you can, if you want to check, you can go and check that video, and definitely you will find the all about the video content have made for that acupuncture quiz. How can you run that one? So I think the video have long today. So thanks for watching. See you in the next video.